Alright, so today two things. I'm recording on a new camera. So I got 4K finally. Got a new phone. And today's going to be a taste test. I'm going to do a taste test of some edible grass. It is green apple flavored. I'm just going to eat it plain. I know it's for like Easter baskets, but I'm just going to eat it plain to see how it tastes. So we'll open it. Right off the bat, there's no smell to it other than paper. It smells like paper. Let's take a string of this. It tastes like a plain wafer with a hint of green apple. It's kind of gross, but I don't know. I mean, it's okay. I gave it a 4 out of 10. So, green apple flavored edible grass. Tastes like paper. Tastes like green apple flavored paper. Yep.